Namaste viewers, welcome to our UV channel. Now I am presenting a short video on Ranganathitu Bird Sanctuary. Ranganathitu Bird Sanctuary is a bird sanctuary in the Mandya district of the state of Karnataka in India. It is the largest bird sanctuary in the state, 40 acres in area and comprises 6 islets on the bank of Kaveri river. Ranganathitu is located 3 kilometers from the historic town of Srirangapatna and 16 kilometers north of Mysore. Ranganatitu's islets were formed when an embankment across the Kaveri river was built between 1645 and 1648 by the then king of Mysore, Kantirava Narasimharaja Wadayar. These islets, originally numbering 25, soon started attracting birds. The ornithologist Salim Ali observed that the islets formed an important nesting ground for a large variety of birds and persuaded the king of Mysore to declare the area as protected area in 1940. The sanctuary is currently maintained by the Forest Department of Karnataka and efforts are ongoing to improve the sanctuary, including purchasing nearby private land to expand the protected area. In 2014, around 28 square kilometers around the sanctuary was declared as an eco-sensitivity zone, meaning that certain commercial activities cannot take place without the government permission. The sanctuary with its islets experience heavy flood during certain rainy seasons when water is released from Krishnarajasagar Dam upstream due to heavy rains. During heavy floods, boating is suspended and tourists are allowed to watch the nesting birds from a distance. Frequent flooding has also damaged some portions of the islands over past few decades. Riverine reed beds cover the banks of the islands, while the islands themselves are covered in broadleaf forests with dominant species being Arjun tree, bamboo groves and pandanus trees. Eucalyptus and acacia trees have also been planted, which might lead to long-term eradication of native species. The endemic and threatened lily of the family Colchicea also grows in the sanctuary. Roughly 170 bird species have been recorded. Of these, the painted stork, Asian open-bill stork, common spoonbill, woolly-necked stork, black-headed ibis, lesser whistling duck, Indian shag, stark-billed kingfisher, egret, cormorant, oriental darter, spot-billed pelican and heron breeded Ranganathitu regularly. The great stone plover and river tern also nest there, while the park is also home to a large flock of streak-throated swallows. Ranganathitu is a popular nesting site and about 8,000 nestlings were sighted during the year 2011. About 50 pelicans have made Ranganathitu their permanent home. During winter months, starting from mid-December, as many as 40,000 birds congregate at Ranganathitu, some migrating from Siberia, Latin America and parts of North India. During January and February, more than 30 species of migratory birds can be found in the sanctuary. The islands are host to numerous small mammals including hornet mac, smooth-coated otter, colonies of flying fox, and common small mammals such as common palm civet and Indian grey mongoose. Additionally, there is a population of monitory lizards. The Makar crocodile or marsh crocodile is a common inhabitant of the riverine reed beds, and Ranganathitu has largest freshwater crocodile population in Karnataka state. Coming to the activities here, ranger guided boat tours of the isles are available throughout the day and are a good way to watch birds, crocodiles, otters, and bats. There is no lodging within the sanctuary, so visitors typically stay over at Mysore or Srirangapatna. The seasons for visiting the park are June to November, that is during the nesting seasons of the water birds. The best time to watch migratory birds is usually December, but it can vary year to year. The Salim Ali Interpretation Center, maintained by Forest Department, screens a 4-minute documentary to special interest groups. Coming to the accessibility, the nearest town is Srirangapatna, 3 kilometers away from here. Nearest city is Mysore, that is 19 kilometers away. Nearest railway station is Srirangapatna. Nearest airport is Mysore Airport, that is 25 kilometers away from here. Nearest highway is Bangalore to Mysore, that is 2 kilometers. Okay, thank you.